What's up? What's poppin'? Hey guys, it's your girl Tom. Yo, I have not been filming, but I'm determined today. I'm going to vlog what I do today. So yeah, I'm ready to take you guys with me. A day in the life of a study abroad Yonsei student. But I don't have classes, so it's gonna be like a day in the life of a foreigner. So I'll take you guys along with me and let's go.
Someone has virgin hair. It's never been dyed.
We're in Hongdae.
We're in line for Mrs. Chokbal. Which is not Miss Chokbal, it's like Miss.
Miss?
Yeah, like
Miss
Salon. Like we thought it was like Miss Chokbal, which because like if you look at it too, it looks like a lady. Right? Like Miss Chokbal.
Miss Chokbal.
But no, it's Myth.
Myth? Like mythical.
Mythical creature. This is a myth.
We're gonna get pigs.
Pig trotters.
Pig trotters. Pig trotters. Pig trotters.
And then souffle pancakes.
And boba. With banana.
Might as well do it all now, man.
That's true.
We'll enjoy ourselves even more. I just want the tarot cards. Because it's so much fun.
We're gonna get our tarot cards read.
I don't believe it at all, but like it's just fun to
go to Hangang and shop. So I'll take you guys with me. Hello! Look who it is! It's me, your girl Tom. I'm back with purple hair. But anyways, so here we go with my face again. Totally could have edited this video like a couple months ago. Did I? No, I didn't, because I was busy and bored and traveling. Anyways, so the video cuts off there because I'm just so bad at vlogging, you guys. But the restaurant we went to was jam-packed with people, and we literally went like right when they opened, so there was already people lining up. But it was so many people, and the place is small. I literally did not want to bring my camera out. We just ordered, ate, and then left. So, but the food was good. The food was good. That's all I'm gonna say. So let's move on to some souffle pancakes, you guys. And we just got ourselves some souffle pancakes, so we're waiting. We got the berry souffle pancakes, so we're just here sitting. Yeah, I'm excited. Also, guys, I got this contact lenses, like brown. I might change it, but I don't know. Should I? So, man, are you excited? Guys, we finished in like 2 minutes. Was it good? Yeah.
Can you imagine when it gets closer to like...
Hi, what's up, guys? We are at... Where are we? We're at Hangang. Hangang. We got here at 4. We have 2 hours before the fireworks.
It's like 3 hours.
3 hours.
It's at 7:30. But hey, we might get food.
We're gonna get food.
We will get food.
We got a mat. And yeah, so we're at Hangang right now. Yeah. So